Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we explore the transformative power of food as medicine in the realm of Ayurveda. Join us on this journey as we uncover the ancient wisdom and practices that can revolutionize your approach to holistic health. In this video, we'll delve into the fascinating world of Ayurveda, a holistic healing system that emphasizes nourishing the body and mind from within. Discover how food plays a vital role in promoting balance and wellness in our lives. We'll uncover the secrets of Ayurvedic cooking, exploring the unique qualities of ingredients and the balancing effects of various spices. Learn how to create delicious and nourishing meals that not only taste amazing but also support your overall well-being. Ayurveda recognizes that each person is unique, with different needs and imbalances. We'll guide you in understanding your own constitution, or dosha, and how it influences your dietary choices. Discover personalized approaches to food as medicine that can help you achieve optimal health and vitality. But our exploration doesn't stop at recipes alone. We'll also delve into other aspects of Ayurvedic living, such as mindfulness practices, self-care rituals, and natural remedies that can enhance your well-being. Get ready to embark on a life-changing journey, where we unlock the potential of Ayurveda and food as medicine to elevate your health and overall quality of life. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest videos as we empower you to take control of your health through Ayurvedic wisdom. Welcome to our channel, where we inspire you to embrace the power of food as medicine and Ayurveda for a holistic and vibrant life. Subscribe now and join our community of health-conscious individuals on this incredible path to wellness.